Dear brothers and sisters, greetings to the people of Hyderabad Parliament. India has thousands of national and regional political parties, some based on religion and some family parties. Almost no party is working for the welfare of the poor, marginalized and weaker section of the people. An alternative party is needed in politics to keep the democratic values alive and to strengthen the democratic, secular and welfare character of the country. It should consult the Democrats of the country and the SC&T, BC, minorities, secular parties, voluntary organizations and political intellectuals for the public empowerment and stand by the poor and vulnerable sections of the country. All India Mahila Empowerment Party was founded in 2017 as an alternative political force. It has spread all over the country and is active in direct politics. All India Mahila Empowerment Party is the party that fills the void left by comprehensive national political parties based on human equality, honest leadership and constructive initiatives. All India Women's Empowerment Party was formed to base its political ideology on the following principles: racial unity, religious harmony, social harmony in the society and politics, establishment of democracy, rule of law and protection of human rights from fear, from hunger, liberation, environment friendly and the non-destructive development model, protecting the welfare, development and dignity of the tribals, preserving the identity of the minority culture. AIMAP party is the only party that has the guts to give a bold answer to the fascist government in the country on the above issues. There is no need to introduce our party to the people. The AIMAP party is one of the cadre-based parties in the country. Planned programs, ideological struggles and disciplined cadre are the strength of the AIMAP party. More than 16,000 party candidates have won in the country, and now the AIMAP party is ready to show its strength to the upcoming elections. AIMAP party candidates are ready to contest in 2024 parliamentary elections from Alanti. Therefore, of the people, for the people, by the people, we request you to cast your precious vote, cast your vote, win as your servant and send them to the parliament in the upcoming elections. Assurance of AIMAP. Dr. V.R. Youth Sarkar. 10 lakhs job for youth in 5 years, including 5 lakhs job for women. Student leaders as Shadow Minister. Amma Raitu Bima. Purchase rates at minimum support price for each crop. Accurate government subsidy from seed to sale. Abolition of the Dharani portal. Rani of Jhansi land rights. 1 acre of land for every landless poor family in the name of women. Bharat Nari Mahila Jyoti. Free washing machines, smartphones and driving training for women workers and farmers. Regular induction of Angawadi and Asha workers. Amma safety centers. Hostels, food and free medical care for the elderly, support for the disabled and single women in these shelters. Mothers education. 1 international school per mandal annually, from each mandal training of 100 students in foreign education, data, AI and coding. Amma free job card. 150 employment guarantee in rural and urban areas. Increase in daily wages up to ₹350 and free transport. Health and life insurance for workers. Mothers health insurance. A health insurance package of ₹5 lakh per family. An annual nutrition and health budget of ₹25,000 crore. Migrant Workers Assurance Center. 5,000 crore fund for Welfare Board for Gulf workers. Housing for migrant workers. 600 subsidized canteen for gig workers, lorry and taxi drivers. Amma Home Bharosa. 500 SQ for the homeless. 6 lakh assistance for house renovation. Rupees 1.5 lakhs assistance for house land rupees. AIMAP manifesto. 35,000 per acre under farmers scheme, which provides support to the farmers and their families. The MEP party will bear the nutrition, health and children's education. 15,000 will be paid to the unemployed until they found the job. 2,50,000 as marriage allowance for the SC, ST and BC minorities under Umma Devina scheme. We will establish an Islamic university for the Muslim minorities in the state of Telangana and support their development. We will provide an honorism of rupees 10,000 to priests, imams and pastors from all over the state of Telangana. A Dalit Bandhu scheme of rupees 50 lakh per family will be implemented for Dalits in the state of Telangana under the Dalit Bandhu scheme. We are announcing a family assistance fund of rupees 20,000 per annum for daily travel and life and health insurance for auto drivers. We will form a corporation for Mala Madhika and other SC castes to return the assigned land that the previous government looted to the beneficiary. We will try to give 12% reservations for Muslim brothers.